technical styles in Chinese Kung Fu is a long history of continuous enrichment. There are hand forms created for performance and practice, combat forms that combine offense and defense, as well as external and internal Qigong training that serves both of these forms. Traditional Kung Fu emphasizes both internal and external training. Among martial arts practitioners, there is the principle that internal training benefits the flow of qi and external training benefits the muscles, sinews, and bones. The idea is that the external and internal training are mutually beneficial. The goal is to achieve both internal and external vigor so as to attain good health and longevity. A Kung Fu master with training in conditioning heart Qigong is able to perform feats that may seem incredible to the lay person.
Yeah!